That's got a Corvette. Got BORLA ATAK on it. It is quiet. We got a 99 Vet with a BORLA ATAK catback. He had it installed himself. It was an axle back, I mean. BORLA ATAK. Go ahead. There's sound decibels. Right at 116, guys. He wants it louder. Stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. This is what it looks like, guys, if you ever wonder what the BORLA ATAK system looks like. So it's a crazy design, as you guys can see. Comes off in here. Then they got the little tags for BORLA. It's pretty cute. Then it comes back out into a dual tip there. Same thing on this side. Goes over the rear end. The bolt-on kit is really easy to install. He did it himself. What did it take? About an hour? A couple of hours. All you do is unbolt it here, take the old system off, and bolt it back in and bolt it in here. And then hang it on the hangers. It fits in the stock hangers mounting position, which is here and right there. And then you just line them up, get them all nice and straight. So it's got an H-pipe on it. These 99 to 04, I think, don't come with any resonators on them, but it does have an H-pipe right there, as you guys can see. And it's got two primary converters right there. And then it's got the manifolds on top. They're still factory stock manifolds there and there. Two cats, H-pipe, over the rear end, and the BORLA ATAK mufflers. We'll get you guys a link in the description for them. And that's it, right there. So we're gonna eliminate this H-pipe, guys. We'll see if it makes a huge difference in sound or not. Stay tuned. So on that 99 Corvette, guys, I showed you what it sounded like before with the H-pipe and the BORLA ATAK system. Let me show you guys what we did on it now. So it's still got the factory manifolds, factory converters there, but we took out the H-pipe. So we deleted the H-pipe and then left everything else the same. There's the BORLA ATAK mufflers, the axle back, still the same. Everything else stayed the same other than the H-pipe. We took the H-pipe out because it wasn't loud enough for him. H-pipe takes a little bit of the sound away, so hopefully this will help. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it after now. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, this is now with the H-pipe delete. Here we go. Go ahead. Louder, better. Here's sound decibels. What did it hit before? Do you remember? 60. Why is it quieter? 107. It's quieter. It's got a pop to it. 115, but it's a different tone. It gives it more of a bite.
Yeah.
Try that for a week, see how you like it.
Yeah.
If you want louder, bring it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, my watch finally said loud environment, see? That's surprising, I'm like, but he was barely running it.
Yeah.
sounds amazing. It's got a lot more of a bite now. No more H-pipe on it. So, you guys let me know. Would you like it with the H-pipe on or without the H-pipe? What you guys hear on the inside? We got a 2001 Chevy Corvette. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Right at 91 again. So it's factory right now. Again. BORLA ATAK. Go ahead. He wants it louder. Stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. All right, guys. This is now with the H-pipe delete. Here we go. Go ahead. Louder. Better. Sound decibels. What did it hit before? Do you remember? 60. Why is it quieter? 107. It's quieter. The idle on it. That's good. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Not bad. 110. That's clean. Again. Go ahead and back it up. 99 Vet with BORLA ATAK catback and an H-pipe delete. So he's complaining he can't hear it inside. So BORLA, you did your job by not having any drone inside. So if you guys want a nice Corvette without a lot of drone, go with the BORLA ATAK. With their drone canceling technology. Man, beast mode. Sucker's a beast and it handles. Enjoy, guys.